Good morning, everyone. My name is Vira Afilia from Class C. Today, I'm going to present my selected reading report. Thank you, ma'am, by Langston Hughes. I chose the story. I chose this story because it contains meaningful lesson about kindness, trust, and second chance. Although it is a short story, it has a powerful message that can be applied in everyday life. The story also made me reflect on how people should treat others who make mistakes. In this presentation, I will explain the summary of the story, evaluate its strengths and weakness, share my personal response, and conclude with the lesson I learned from reading it. Summary. The story begins late at night when a boy named Roger attempts to steal the purse of a woman named Mrs. Lula Bethel Winston Jones. Roger wants money to buy a pair of blue sweatshirts. However, his plan fails because he loses his balance and is immediately caught by Mrs. Jones. At first, Robert is frightened because he thinks Mrs. Jones will call the police. Surprisingly, she does not punish him. Instead, she takes him to her house and tells him to wash his face. She noticed that Roger may not have anyone at home take care of him. After that, Mrs. Jones prepares food and talks with Rogers. During their confrontation, Rogers admits that he wants money for shoes. Mrs. Jones explains that stealing is not the right way to get what he wants and tells him that he could have asked for help instead. She also shares some of her own experience when she was young and when the things she could not afford. This makes Roger feel understood rather than judged. As the story continues, Roger starts to trust Mrs. Jones even when he has opportunities turned away. He chose to stay because he respects her kindness. At the end of the story, Mrs. Jones gives Roger $10 to buy the shoes he wants. Before he leaves, she advises him to make better choices in the future. Roger is deeply touched by her generosity and can only say thank you ma'am before leaving. Evolution. In my opinion, this story has several things. First, it presents a strong moral lesson about kindness and forgiveness. Many people will respond to death with anger, but Mrs. John chose a different approach. She believes that understanding and grace can help someone change. Another strength is the characterization of Mrs. Jones. She is portrayed and as a caring, wise, and compassionate person. Her action makes reader admire her and reflect on how they were reached in a similar situation. The story is also realistic and relatable. People often make mistakes because of difficult circumstances. Roger actions are wrong, but the story shows that people can learn from their mistakes. When given support and encouragement, however, the story also has a weakness because it is relatively short. Readers do not know about Roger backgrounds or what happens after he leaves Mrs. Jones' house. It will be interesting to know whether he truly changed in the future. Despite this limitation, the story remains memorable because its message is clear and impactful. Personal response. Personally, I enjoyed reading this story very much. The character who impressed me the most was Mrs. John. Her kindness showed that people do not always need punishment to learn a lesson. Sometimes understanding and compassion can be more effective. This story taught me the importance of giving people a second chance. Everyone makes mistakes, especially when they are young. Instead of immediately judging others, we should try to understand their situation and help them improve. I also read that trust can influence someone's uh, behavior. Mrs. Jones trusted Roger even after he tried to steal from her. As a result, Roger felt respected and began to regret his action. The story made me reflect on my own life and how small acts of kindness can make a big difference. It reminded me to more empathetic toward others and to treat people with respect. Conclusion. The conclusion. Thank you, ma'am. Is an inspiring short story that teaches valuable lesson about kindness, trust, honesty, and second chance. Track the relationship between Rogers and Mrs. Jones. Reader can see how compassion has the power to change a person's attitude and behavior. I highly recommend this story because it is simple, uh, engaging, and meaningful. It encourages readers to become more understanding and compassionate in their daily life. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Bye bye.